Hello students, did you know that some questions keep appearing repeatedly in exam? In this video, we shall explore these frequently asked questions, highlighting their importance and helping you understand why they are so critical. So stay tuned to master these key concepts and boost your exam performance. The short question 1 is: name the following compounds by Aliphatic system of nomenclature. These compounds are written on the screen. And question 2 is: write reaction for the preparation of propane by Clemson reduction and Volkishner reduction methods. And question number 3 is: how ethane can be prepared by Kolb's electrolysis method. Question 4 is: why alkenes are called paraffins. And question 5 is: why alkenes are less reactive than alkenes. And question 6 is: convert methane to formaldehyde. And question 7 is: convert methane to ethane. And question 8: write 4 uses of methane. And question number 9: why alkenes are less reactive than alkenes. And question 10: ethene can be converted to ethyl alcohol. Write equation. 11 is: explain Markovnikov's rule with one example. Question 12: what is raninic? Give its uses. And question number 13: what is special sentence reaction? Give its industrial importance. And question 14 is: give the mechanism of ozonolysis of ethene. And question 15 is: what is hydrogenolysis? Give an example. And question number 16 is: write the mechanism of formation of ethene. And question 17 is: what is mustard gas? How it is prepared, and write its uses. Ethene, mention 4 uses of ethene. And question 19: how would you convert 1 butene to 1 butane? And question 20 is: how acetylene can be manufactured on industrial scale. How acetylene is converted to acetaldehyde and benzene. And question 22: how acetylene is converted to chlorpyrene rubber. 23: how cis and trans alkenes are obtained from alkynes. 24: how does propane is reacted with silver nitrate and cuprochloride in presence of ammonium hydroxide. And question 25 is: convert acetylene to oxalic acid. Question 26: explain acidic nature of ethine. Question 27: write polymerization reaction of ethene.